figure it out putting on the snake. Let me tell you something. I just don't care nothing about them as nasty, stinking, dirty attitude. I mean, I care how much them are not trustworthy. I mean, I want to hear how much them are this. I mean, I want to hear how much them are that. You know what I say? Figure it out is a wicked, dirty drunk crow. I'm talk to them. You go above and beyond. God in a church on the pulpit because you want to make a statement. God is going to make a statement of you, Valiant. Watch it. No go come. God are going to make a statement. You see 10,000 people are come down. No. When you talk about having 10,000 immigrants who are deported from other country, America run them out, and them pick Jamaica, it simply means that Jamaica must have collected a stipend to retrieve all of these people. Now remember, burial money no start spent on the country yet. Remember, Melissa money no start spent on the country yet. That is why I tell you this. Thank you. Figure it out covering the tattoo with a snake. It goes to show how much secrets Dyema have for figure it out, how much secret she has for that young man, for both of them. Una not reason the logic, una reason where them put out. Let us reason the motive. You understand me? Let us reason the motive and not go off basic, but let us go in depth. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes we do things and we give more information than the desecrator. You understand me? We give more information than the desecrator. Through the goods. Yeah. Now, if figure it out is going to put an image like that over the name of an individual that you showcase to be your partner or your series wife or your co-host. I don't know what the title and I said, but nevertheless, leave it alone. You understand me? If you're going to put a snake over that, you're simply telling the audience that whatever information Dyema had came with or what she should come with, it is true. What you mean she couldn't have secrets and not go on, so? Which high school you go? Which high school you go? A lot of times we have secrets for people and we're giving them grace in our attitude, allowing the crowd to believe that we're really hurting and stuff like that. Yeah? So if he's going to do that and we are going to run with the narrative, remember Akeem has a snake. Figure it out is a snake. Akeem has a snake. Simply means that figure it out is a snake. Him have figure it out as pet. You understand me? Because remember them not talk now. So, in him covering Dyema name with a snake, he's simply saying that this girl knows secret and about to let it out. You get what I say? So figure it out should have just ignored the whole shebang and leave it like that because I can't reason like you. That's the same reason why I wonder how him crash over. Or why is he crashing out over Marvin? It simply tells me that, because when I say Marvin and Lammy, and Marvin are overdo it, I wonder if Marvin ever get pum yet, Batty is his specialty. Because if you figure it out, he's so much of a good friend, and figure it out, I'm going to crash out over the fact and make it seem as if all of a sudden your attitude is incorrect towards him. You understand me? All of a sudden, no. Una might not understand what I say. It might look funny too no, until because when you look on him, his behavior towards Lammy, it's just off. A Batman behavior that my baby. A Batman behavior that. A Batman behavior that. Me now ask you a Batman attitude. And let's not say manipulator. Let us just say how much control you have over the individual because always remember that it's not even jealousy. Always remember what's the relationship. How Akeem allow him to do a series with Dyema, but him can allow Marvin to do a series with Lammy. What is the relationship? They're so pretty. Me not understand how una see things, because una just see with the naked eyes. But me I tell you the attitude. If I am behaving like that over an individual, the first thing una go say me and the individual there. The first thing una say me I look the individual. The first thing una go say me and the individual in a something. That is the first thing una go say. But it's easy to mask in the eyes of females when you act as if you want them, when you really don't. We understand that. But that for the people that were around with the narrative, now back to Dyema and figure it out, putting on the snake. Let me tell you something. Me not care how much chat Dyema want chat too much. I not care how much Dyema want be a hypocrite. I not care how much Dyema want be a backbiter. And I just don't care nothing about Dyema's nasty, stinking, dirty attitude. I not care how much Dyema not trustworthy. I not want to hear how much Dyema not this. I not want to hear how much Dyema not that. You know what I say? Figure it out, is a wicked, dirty drunkard. And I talk to Dyema about these things long ago. Long ago, I talk to you about these things. I said, Dyema, never you dim your life for nobody else. These guys are nothing. They are nobody. Them broke, them hungry, them naked, and them afraid about them next check. You understand me? Which they are not working. I say, you guys started out. You understand me? From before camera days until camera days. I know you sit down and make the boy them take away your shine to the point where them in return, they want disrespect in public. Now, figure it out, forgot everything or him say, you know, that never this Dyema. Nobody can make him this Dyema because that girl here do enough for him. So my question is, it doesn't matter how much of a snake figure it Dyema want to be. Figure it out is damn rude. Figure it out is rude. All figure it out is going off his ear said. No, you, Jaden, Shay, Dyema, Una alone know the truth. The general public don't know the truth. Now, care if you hear people and say, ah, true, me believe, me this, me that. The funny part about cussing, when you come for cussing, you come for convince the crowd. You come for lay your pipe and leave. You're a good plumber. No look back, you will get cock. Do not look back. So me not care when nobody wants to say. Vicky want, me not care when nobody wants to say, oh, best to no one put it, and oh, figure it out is right. Figure it out is just to me a batty man that loves attention and never get it from his mom. And it's just the truth. It's just the truth. You see, sometimes, you understand me? When you do good for people, you must always remember what them do for you. When people do good for you, you must always remember what them do. You know that a long time figure it out. One tell Dyema some things. May I tell you something? Use, abuse, refuse, and set aside. That's figure it out. That's Dyema and Rosalie. Use, abuse, refuse, and set aside. That's them. Let me tell you this. When you and Dyema the series and Dyema go and shine, none of Dyema's thinking attitude wasn't a bother. How you coped with it? How you cope with Dyema's attitude to now you're being disgusted? How you pretend so long to know when you say it not at again because the England trip all gone. You understand me? The England trip gone and no keep. And now Dyema is disgusting. Dyema is everything. And you and I know that Dyema want the body. That's why her behavior is like this in public, because you know the secrets in private. So explain to me now. Hush, hush, hush. Hush, Israel, hush. Eh? Explain to me now, people. Whether you want to have Jaden and Vani, we are not going to blame Jaden and Ivani. Because whether or not Jaden and Ivani are influenced him, that should never be. Because the experience that you have with Dyema, Jaden and Ivani don't have that. So whatever influence you're getting from them, you understand me, should never cause you to even cover up the tattoo and put a snake over Dyema name. All the public know that there's a snake over Dyema name. The tattoo man took a picture and blasted it. I would like to know how a snake reach over Dyema's name. Why wanna play with yourself so much? Wanna sacrifice, you know? You know you and Dyema was joke and you really go put the girl name by your skin. It's symbolic. So me not understand how to do it. On a very perfidious. No dollars at all can go make me put on somebody's name and me know it's a joke. You mad? You mad? But when me did come and tell you one long time, say figure it out, have mental problem, you never believe me. You never believe me, you ignore me, but you now go see it. Figure it out is mental. It was a dare, him didn't do it willingly. It cannot be a dare. Because somebody can dare you for to stand up out the road and make a chocolate you, would you? So let us talk about the dare. You not take a shot for it? Take a shot of tequila. Or go and cherry juice. Yeah, you see, if she put a feather over his name, Why would you want to put a snake over her name? Talk to me now. When I miss the logic, it doesn't matter if feather go over it. What is symbolic is that we are talking about. So figure it out is running with the narrative of the internet. What everyone is saying about Dyema. That Dyema is an informer. What one Natalie? Yeah. So I don't understand. It doesn't matter how much. It doesn't matter how much the internet want to tear down Dyema and class Dyema. One thing I know, when it's his time to defend Dyema, he's nowhere to be found. The same way when Rosalie get pushed down and some gunman I wonder, oh, me I go lift up the load there. You know, I get up. Then you really have it for me for all your hand. Girl, me not even depend good vitamins and you come and give me a job. So explain all of that to me. No, one can't say the laugh. One can't stay the laugh. It is, yeah, it is a level of ungratefulness. You know, say Dyema bad pan her mouth from day one. Because from Dyema come on the share chat, everybody wanna never know. Remember Dyema make you know enough people. Remember Dyema make you know enough people. So let me ask the big question now. Why is it a big deal that everybody is saying that Dyema say figure it out have man and them see picture in a New York and one bag of something? So what if Dyema say with man? It's simple shows that she does still get a blind in her vagina. What? The Rosalie hear about Akima man. And Rosalie and him there in Mexico now. And him she chose to celebrate her birthday with make him name her out. She select for her own poison. Why you want to change your poison now? You say figure it out. You are a boy like this. Fame a beat you bad. Fame a beat you bad. Dyema a snake and Ivan you're the one will say you are the head for batty people. For the Batty organization. Yankee not have to feel nervous. Ivan is say you are the head for Batty organization. That's your one time baby mother slip. She slipped the AK over the wall. Yeah, that's your one time baby mother will come out and blast say you a big Batty man. Dyema don't know nothing about your only thing Dyema washes your underpants. She never wash your balls yet. Dyema don't know nothing about you. So explain all of that. Oh, Dyema is a snake and Ivan is a... Thank you, Zero Tolerance. Thank you very much, Zero Tolerance. How is Ivan a queen and Dyema is a snake? When you really messed up, that's why I tell the girl then stop waste time with some on a careless boy on the app. Some on a careless boy if you got beard. Yeah. Some on a careless boy if you got beard. Me don't know who promised a visa now, but Ivan now come yet. And when Ivan come, she now go want you because your chef forgot mine you. Yeah. Yeah, your days and Ivan days over. Ivan want younger. You know, say Ivan man them have starting at the teens and she left them when they are 20. Come now. When you see she do that 23-year-old is a lie, you know the relationship they are quint. Short term, quint, just one bop. One bop. And I you that. So all of this are for people money. You rather this Dyema for people's money. Figure it out. Move your sock hood. Say your sock body. You are boy will leave lipstick pan cocky head. Me not ask you. You leave lip mark pan body. Yeah? Me not join them game here. Me not join them game here. Them so you see ungratefulness is something me not work with. You have to have a reason to be ungrateful. Have a valid reason. Yeah, money is them demise, so true. The snake is the other way around. It's true because Dyema can't come tell the public nothing about Uno 2 where the public no know. All them can come do a confirm. And we don't need Dyema for come confirm. Well, we need Dyema for come confirm at the England trip. Come buy my clothes and all know me not reach. At the England trip, we don't need Dyema for come confirm nothing more about Uno. Yeah, of all the animals, you couldn't go take up Noah. You could have go for Noah. You want to say Dyema fall. It's a hard drop she get, you know. You could have gone for Christopher Columbus. What? If I even draw for the Bible leaf, because you know Dyema have the ingredients, as she did it when the starting of the Bible leaf did I make. Eh? Of course, him could have put even a child nanny. You have so many things to put. She be your work. You're not in a position for question me. You just continue working on mine, man. You just continue working on mine, man. Focus in front of you. No fret about me. Me a clean rifle from me. I go to school and graduate with 2 subjects, man and body. Don't ask me if me a work. Just focus in front of you and don't laugh at my program because it block you. Yeah. Do not laugh on my program. Yeah, ask me if my work. I see some graduate with honors. Man and body. A sex education, I go to school for, you know, when you see me not unip. You know me from high school and I never bright. Come to make a reason. Then oh me could have never bright and you turn out so. Then oh you bright and end up dull in a life. And me a shine more than you. Then I wish for my education did leave in a your school bag and you go home with it or it look like you name it for lunch. Then wish for me you could have sit down and me never look out of your book yet. Cause you not have good penmanship. Me can't even read what you write because me never sick on a prescription you write. What you say now, but you know me from school days that me never bright. Ask anybody about me, me never bright. Baby girl I want thing with my mama. I couldn't make her money, but no. Remember Belly take you out of school, you know, sir. Or you breed somebody, you know. Remember Belly took you out of school. So what you say? You can never say me, no ask anybody about me. And one thing you can never say about me yet is that I'm an illiterate individual. Never yet. I prize myself on that. Then I only can dot my eye and cross my T and you can't do it. Come now man, where you gone? Where you gone? Come now. Where them gone? Yeah. You don't love go like you don't know me. You don't love go like you don't know me. Come with a reason. Come on, take you back to basic until you call me Mr. Rose. And one thing with me, come eat me. Yeah, back to the matter. I don't know people. Yeah, but me tell you this now, people. As much as Unata, I care zero. Figure it out. Is that? But you see, if Dyema them they just listen to me from day one. From day one. You notice, figure it out problem. Me will tell you this. The boy sit down because everything orchestrated. The boy sit down and the boy watch every single thing how the internet a deal with Dyema now. You know, I say, oh, the internet a deal with Dyema. And so comes him and take him time and draw away. If Dyema did get the love where she used to get from the internet, trust and believe him with that hang on pan her. Now ask you, Ivani, you figure it out. You think this serious, Ivani? You think this serious, Ivani? You must be mad. This not serious, Ivani. This don't serious and you're going to meet it. It's simple I tell the world, said Dyema no secret about him. That's why she's a snake. You can't be nothing else. Lucifer used to stand up in the midst of the throne. Lucifer used to stand in the midst of the throne. And Jesus and God cast him upon his belly as a serpent. What we call snake. So you never say. But I don't tell her already say, you know, we are friends from the get-go. We are friends. Then when our friends are gonna come out and you just are going so and you defend her so and you go when we really know say a man you say. When we really know say a man you say. Remember to use them forget a hype on the app because everybody figure it out. Me remember time you are trying to come on the app, you know, but you have Gallus Corner. Me say you're not even a big deal of people over there. Me not ask you. And everybody I'm out here say I lie you tell pam pum pum. Everybody remember Yeah, every day you get up, you have a different woman's story for tell. And we know say a man you used to play with. Man, you a man used to play run down a lick, hide and seek, stocky. You know, them something them marble. Yeah. I remember. No for one no remember, but I remember. That's why I'm sooner attach myself to Dyema them. Me say here comes bloodsucker. Thank you very much, my baby. Me say here comes bloodsucker. And for you turn around now and at the Dyema that in the public, it simply tells the type of individual that you are. If Dyema is so much of a mess, ignore her. You're more woman than Dyema. Remember Dyema make you go pee up. Remember, cause you never used to get nothing warm. A bush you go in with man. Bush. A bush you go in with man. Remember when you and Ivan there at them time the two of you were sick. Remember. So don't miss it. I don't have the internet at all, but Dyema a snake, Dyema this, Dyema that. Then you think if Dyema and Shay sit down and chat me could have eat Dyema? Me could have eat her. You know why? Them supposed to sit and chat me. Maybe me and my friend would have sit down and chat Dyema. So if Dyema sit and chat Shay with me, you understand me? I sit down with Shay and chat me with her. Me never tell her like me can't find that as a problem. Because maybe I would have done the same thing. So what kind of snake Dyema for be? The whole of we a snake. All of we a snake. The problem is if Dyema, if somebody chat you don't hear, you don't have to take it up. You don't have to run with it. Long. Thank you, too cute. Thank you very much, my baby. Cause a fish on the send me, you know. A sea creature on the send me over here, son. Imagine at the first at me see people come and take disrespect for fun, but thank you, be polite about it. But yeah, too cute, too sweet. Thank you very much, my baby. Thank you very much. God bless you. Oh, hypocrite. Yeah, God bless you. God bless you, too cute, too sweet. Yes, yeah. No, it's true. They don't want to have to say about Valiant now. Let me tell you something about Valiant. You see Valiant? I'm sorry for the girl when I push him body in, the boy when I push him body in them bottom. I'm sorry for them. Valiant is pure evil and Valiant sell him soul. Valiant sell him soul. Valiant is pure evil. And look how him look. Valiant favor the sick, one of the six them in the 666. For sure. Me not tell no lie. I remember when Valiant came out to the Obia song, Natalie. And when Valiant came out to the Obia song, you know, ease off, breeze off. I'm a go down a father. I'm a come up back with a father. And me and father start eat the body. I mean, I know the song going on. You understand me? But let me just say this. These people are walk and spread some demonic spirit over people. Me I wonder, how who manage Valiant? I all manage Valiant. I hope them do Valiant like Alia. Yeah. Before him carrying a body with him. I hope them do him like Alia. Me not understand how you for set up the scene in our church around the pulpit. And you talk and you sing those songs. No man, this is a mockery. You call, let me tell you now what I call this. When I call, go read Deuteronomy. When I call this Sodom and Gomorrah. A Sodom and Gomorrah behavior that in only think about it is him alone as Sodom and Gomorrah. Only Tandede man. Only think about it is him alone. Sodom and Gomorrah that you know. Only think a joke. Nobody can tell me say Valiant not have a man, you know. Nobody cannot tell me say not take man. Me just feel so. When you see performance like this, you must understand the time. You have to understand Shaggy's message. It's called church heathen. You see the difference? It's called church heathen. Don't miss it. You have to understand the connotation. Now check the connotation for Valiant. Check the connotation. Church heathen. Don't miss it. You have to understand the connotation. Now check the connotation for Valiant. Check the connotation. Just check it. He planned, Valiant within himself and among his crew, they plan to do the extreme, to break the four wall, to come out of the norm, and the only way they are doing that now is by being very demonic. It's a demonic force they are using to break the four wall. You can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing. People will go above and beyond to make money. They will sell God and collect a check. Judas. Judas, my baby. You never know. Them love controversy for true. Judas them. Him always a speak obia for true. And that is the problem. Always speaking obia. Always speaking witchcraft. Because at this alone them feel them can get recognition. And this is it. What the devil gives to you, the reward of it, trust me, it's not good. It's not good. You go above and beyond. You're going in a church on the pulpit because you want to make a statement. God is going to make a statement of you, Valiant. Watch it. No go come. God is going to make a statement. So you're a little bit like a diabetic. And I tell people, boy, you want weight loss? You're a little bit like a diabetic. Yeah. Me not ask you no. I'm not asking. No, it's true. And all of us sit down right here, so. A lot of us sit right here. And we support all of these foolery. You see 10,000 people are come down. Now, when you talk about having 10,000 immigrants who are deported from other country, America run them out, and them pick Jamaica, it simply means that Jamaica must have collected a stipend to retrieve all of these people. Now remember, burial money no start spent on the country yet. Remember, Melissa money no start spent on the country yet. That is why I tell you this. Thank you, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You never make me use brute force or hype and go buy nobody no water or country and do the government's job when you know the government are wicked. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah. So come here now. When you have 10,000 immigrants, so you not have illegal Jamaican aliens or foreigner Donald Trump need for group up and send home. We not have our own 10,000 one back here so yard to develop the yard. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when we analyze everything, and this is just my opinion of how I analyze the situation. Let us go back in history where Andrew stated that the hotels don't have as much workers, so he is going to start to import people to come and work in the hotel industry. Who remembers such a time? Maybe someone now go remember. You understand me? Remember one time when Andrew said I'm going to import people? Come on. Well, anyways, moving right along. For those who remember. For those who don't. And then it drew me back now to the other day when the American ship was here. Everything is symbolic, you know. The American ship was here, right? For what particular reason, we don't know, because the country never give a no memorandum for say, well then X, Y, and Z, Y, and E. The ship just appear. Yeah, we hear say ship come Wednesday and the ship just appear. Now my theory is this now. What is going on between America and Jamaica for you to be accepting 10,000 deportees? My theory is this: since America have all of this thing about the UFO invasion and the UFO what them call it, disclosure, you understand me? Who are we getting in Jamaica? Because to my concern, it seems as if everyone has their own share of entity. Let us not talk about oil, because I'm not here to discuss oil. Oil is a distraction from the truth. I'm not here to talk about oil. So I'm now going to talk about oil. We are talking about what disclosure they have and how they talk about we're going to be on a different frequency because new knowledge are come. So you don't know about new knowledge? Oh, no, none of them stop me at all. I'm not concerned about the 10,000 coming in. I'm concerned about who are they. Who are they? Are these real people? Are they mixed? When you accept over 10,000, who will be working in the hospitals now? Who will be working in our health system? Who will be working in our educational system? Who are operate food industries? What are they introduced to be accepting 10,000 people? You should tell Donald Trump nothing more on it. So why is it that you're accepting so much when you have 2 parishes gone out of Jamaica because a man-made storm? So explain to me, and the people them out here complain, say, yeah, walk a capture land. Eh? It is told now that the people them are squatters. So you accept 10,000 people and 2 parishes not live nowhere. This no makes sense. I all sit down in a jacket in a parliament and come up with them something here.